Hello, people of the world. It's the Cabbage Films coming in from Mississippi today, and this is all the fireworks we're going to set off tonight. Thor missile, which will shoot straight up and then most likely head for me. Some Roman candles, with which shoot 5 flaming fireballs each. A boombox, which shoots little. It's basically a cannon that shoots straight up. And then we have some bottle rockets, as everyone knows what they do. Oh, and it leaves silver, like sparks behind. More Roman candles, Saturn missiles that all shoot off at the same time. 25 to be exact. Some sparklers, probably like 20, and then ammo for the boombox, and then sticks, and yeah, that's it. So subscribe if you what you're doing right now, like, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.